iPad sound test. This is the number 2. This is the number 1. I don't really notice a difference. That's a 2.
Sometimes you don't sound like you're kidding. You know, there's a lot of people around. I mean, I'm only kidding with you. We're having a party. I mean, I just came home.
I'm going to turn this thing down.
In a long time, and I'm breaking your balls, and you're right away, you're getting fucking fat. I'm sorry.
Now the 1.
Now go home and get your fucking shine box.
Of course, I could have picked another movie where they weren't swearing so much, but oh well. It is what it is. I don't really notice a difference myself. However, the iPad 2, because of this case I'm using, it's hard to turn the volume up.
Come here. Come on. Back. Come on. You fucking feel strong? I'm sorry. When he gets a little loaded, he doesn't mean any disrespect. You don't mean any disrespect, Henry. Are you nuts? He's just kid a little fucking manners. Hey, Jimmy, what's right is right. You understand what I'm talking about?
And that's it.
I mean, the kids over here, we're hugging and kissing over here, and 2 minutes later, you're acting like a fucking jerk.
Stop this first. The only thing that I can notice a difference is on the iPad 1, which is speakers right here, so the sound comes right there. iPad 2 reminds me of like this Droid that I'm filming on right now. The speakers are right back here. So it has a tendency to put sound towards the back. However, there are some speakers that come out through the side, but your main speaker seems to come from the back. So a lot of the echoing, a lot of the speaker sound comes from the back of the device. So it's just a matter of, do you like the sound coming from the back or do you like it coming from the side? But all in all, I think the sound is pretty much equal to the iPad 1. That's it.